this video. I'll give you the answer to what that little bell icon with a slash next to your text message really means on your iPhone. Okay, you've probably seen it and are wondering if something's wrong. So let's go step by step right here. That bell icon with a line through it means the conversation is muted, or in iPhone terms, it's under Hide Alerts. When this is turned on, you're not going to get notifications for new messages from that chat. No sounds, no banners, nothing. But messages will still come through, they just won't alert you. What you're going to want to do is open the Messages app and find the conversation with the bell icon. Swipe left on it just a bit. You'll see two options. Tap on the bell icon again to unmute. Once you do that, the bell with slash will disappear, and you'll start getting alerts again. Oh, great, it's that simple. You can also go ahead and open the chat itself. Tap on the contact name or group name at the top. Then toggle off Hide Alerts. This does the same thing. Sometimes you might have turned it on accidentally, maybe while swiping to delete or pin messages. So, check a bit carefully before thinking your phone's broken. If you want to mute a chat on purpose, you can swipe left again and tap the bell icon once. It'll show the slash, and that means the conversation's silenced. Bright and smart way to stop spammy notifications without blocking anyone. Anyways, that's all it means. Nothing wrong with your phone. It's just Apple giving you control over notifications. You can make up your settings anytime and choose what conversations you want to hear from. If you have any other questions or if your alerts still don't come after unmuting, you can call on Apple support or ask below. I'd be happy to help you out right here.